Hey guys, Paula here. Dyna Living went ahead and sent me this item. It is a steam cleaner, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box with you, and let's see what it all includes. So after you can see that I've opened it, it looks like it's packaged pretty well. Everything looks like it's secured, and it does have an instruction booklet. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out and set it up, and let's see what it looks like. Of course, there are some instructions and it doesn't say exactly how to put it together, so I'm just going to go based on this picture that is actually here and use all the accessories and kind of take everything off and on to kind of see what it looks like all put together. There are some extra washers, which I thought was really great because there's nothing worse than actually having a washer break on you and you're having to go and find washers at a store. So at least they provided you with some extra washers. I've gone ahead and tried to take off all of the attachments and putting them back on. This does come with one longer wand with several different type of little brushes. It came with 2 wire brushes if you're needing to use it on harder surfaces, and then 2 plastic brushes, and then this wider plastic brush that easily screws off and on if you're needing it for different surfaces. So this is going to be for, this wand is going to be for farther surfaces if you're needing to clean them. And then of course this shorter little attachment is for up close type of cleaning. So a couple of things that I do think this would work really well for is if you are trying to do any type of car detailing or if you are into needing to go ahead and clean like your vent hood and there's a bunch of oil and grease. I think this would work really, really well for that. Now, this does come with a little flashlight that can be removed, replace the batteries. It does use a AA, and then of course putting it back on there. Now, I've set this up in my bathroom and I'm going to turn it on and we're going to go ahead and let it warm up. You can see that there is a plus and minus, which is touch sensitive for you to be able to go in and turn to adjust your gears, whether you want them higher or lower based on the humidity. And then I needed to use a bucket in order for it to suck the water up in order to create that humidity and steam when it's cleaning. So now that it's ready and it is on the first gear, because there are 3 separate gears that you can use, this is the lowest setting, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of use it in a couple of spots that I can see. Unfortunately, you guys can't see this on the video, but there is a spot of mold right here on the side of this, and as I'm using it, it actually is getting rid of it. But overall, if you're needing a steam cleaner to go ahead and disinfect your car, if you're wanting to sterilize your furniture, you can clean your stove or even sanitize toys in a daycare setting, this is definitely a handy little machine to be able to use in those areas because it's compact and portable.